Right guys, XJ, thanks for watching, thanks for all the crap. Anyway, listen, XJ40, came in and I thought I'd just weld these holes up, look, see where the spacers bolt to. So I made some templates, and it all seemed going really well. Right guys, it was cutting in and out, good as going. Right, made templates for here, down, done. And on this side I have made a few bits and pieces for this side as well. Also cut out loads of it. Saw the door lock out, door seems to shut better now. And I've also taken out the rubbish from down there which is in my way. So I think we've obviously Lee was going like, forget it, no rubbish, don't do it. Me, I just feel sorry because it's a lovely car, and there's nothing that I can't do. It's not major stuff. It's just silly shit. I'm not rebuilding it. Someone spent some money on this car. It's had a brand new radiator. It's had all brand new brake pipes, all brand new fluxes. It's had a brand new electric pump for the brake servo system, and it just seems a shame to just give up on it because it's only a matter of a few plates. I mean, 4 plates there would take me, I don't know, if I do it neatly, then we'll cover it with some of that sound deadening. They look worse than they are, so I'm going to do it. Lee's going to hate me tomorrow. He's going to say, like, this is what you're doing. But I am going to do it. I just think it's worth doing. I just think it's such a shame. It's such a lovely car. I mean, I know people go, yeah, but you know what you're talking about. It's not. It's a lovely car. I like all cars, and I don't actually mind it. My time's going to pass anyway. So if I say he who saves one car saves the world. So if I can save this one for maybe another year, 2 years, someone else might take up the mantle because I don't want to go any further than this. But I do want to do the bits and get it done. So I think it'll MOT. I think the rest of it's good, and I don't think there'll be an issue. So I'm gonna do it. So Lee's gonna hate me tomorrow. When he says it tomorrow, he's gonna be like really pissed off. But I'm gonna give him the job of making the plates up, and also making the plates up and cleaning all that ready for me to weld, and then I'll go weld it. So from that point of view, guys, I've also been beating this around. If I get him to help me, we'll get that towing eye welded back on, and the rest of it, well, yeah. But yeah, so from that point of view, guys, I'm going to turn you off there and say, yeah, I'm going to do it. Oh God, I got the camera out the wrong way. Right, I'm going to turn you back around again. Try again. Sorry about that. Right. If we can save one car, he who saves one car saves the world. Lee doesn't want to do it. He says it's scrap. And it should be wasted. It should just be weighed in. I just don't think it's. I think it's sad. I can't do it. I could strap the old XJ convertible. I can't do it to this. I can't. I just can't. I know I don't. I know I don't want to pay road tax. I know I don't want to pay all the bits. But you know what? It's got so many new parts, new radio, new brake pipes, new brakes, new electric pump for the brake cylinder. It's got so much that the guy spent on it. And I know everyone's going to say, why are you bothering? Because it could be quick. If Lee makes the plates tomorrow and I just weld them all in, it'll be quick. If I make the plates tonight before I get fed up, bloody temperature's dropping really fast. It's just really getting cold out here now. So we'll see. I think tomorrow should see most of this made and done, but we'll see. So for the minute, guys, if you got that, you got it. If you didn't, well, keep looking, keep liking. And I know this is not the sort of thing that anybody will really be maybe interested in, but truth of the matter is guys, it's an XJ40. Yeah, it's an XJ40. Yeah, and I think it's all right, and I like it. So at least if I can weld it up, why not? Nothing else to do. It's bloody freezing. It's Monday night, and yeah, time's passing anyway. So, guys, talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. If you like it, keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing. See you soon. Talk to you then. Bye.